What is up, y'all? It's been a little bit, like 3 weeks since my last update. By the way, my name is Jake. I go by Jake Blockchain on all the social medias. And if you're new here, I am documenting my journey from going from zero coding experience to a blockchain developer in the field, my day job, getting paid, creating something badass. So we are now on day 57, coming from day 36, so it's been almost 3 weeks. And I didn't do any coursework for CS50, the Harvard course on underlying structures and how to understand computers. I did a bunch of stuff in Codecademy. I'm taking their career path, the front-end engineer path, and I'm in CSS right now. So I learned about the box model, which is a way of thinking about a website in tiny boxes that can be manipulated. And there's a bunch of things to learn in that, which is like padding and margin and changing things based on percentage or pixels. I learned about color theory and colors and how to manipulate colors. I learned about text and how to get things contrasty and readable, how to use different fonts for headings versus paragraphs. And I had to build a site. I had to build a design style guide. I think that's what they asked for. And it doesn't look like much because it's not much, but it's all hand coded and I learned a bunch from it. It's a great progression on my past skills, so I highly recommend Codecademy so far for the beginner who's trying to onboard slowly and have every single skill they teach you stack on the next one. It's fantastic for that. But yeah, I want to keep this short, sweet. Something else I did learn about, I'm kind of deep diving into DAOs a little bit, which if you don't know are decentralized autonomous organizations. And these are, you can think of them as like a governing body or governance framework for the internet using blockchain. I'm starting to deep dive into this. I also found out about a web service called Moralis, which is a service being built that lets you input code and connect to a wallet super easy. So instead of having to learn a bunch of ways to connect MetaMask, which is an Ethereum wallet, or others to your application, you can copy and paste a piece of code from Moralis and it'll work inside of your decentralized app. So find out about that. Pretty cool. Just want to put that out there. But that's it. We are now at day 57. We've learned HTML. We've learned some blockchain fundamentals, more theory stuff that I've been reading in my spare time. And we've learned intermediate CSS so far. Haven't touched JavaScript. Haven't touched any blockchain specific stuff, especially coding. That's a ways away. So yeah, that's it. Just checking in. We're going to keep these every 2 weeks or so, depending how I'm feeling. Try to keep them short because I'm busy as a mug. But yeah, good to see you. Love y'all. If you're enjoying these or if you're coding yourself, yeah, drop a link below with anything that you've made. You know, you can post on GitHub. They have a free service where you can upload your code and you get a link like github.io/user/whatever, and it will show your page. Pretty cool. So my example I talked about will be down there. And yeah, that's it. Peace.